Hello, I'm Arno Pronk. I'm challenge owner of the ice molding project, and I would like to invite you to join this project. It's all about ice and the ice material and how to improve this material for different applications. For instance, exhibitions, ice hotels, but also for molding, and especially in this case we would like to focus on molding with ice. So we developed a container with Summa College, also located at the campus of Eindhoven University. And the idea is to improve this container with more automation and with a focus on 3D printing, milling, cutting, and with a focus on ice molding. And the other thing that is very interesting is to optimize the material by adding more cellulose or sand and to see if we can improve the structural capacity of this material. If you are interested in this project, please contact me. You can ask me any questions and I will be happy to answer you about this ice molding project.